Yum, yum.
Oh, hi there! Well, if you don't own a calendar, then you probably don't know that summer is almost over and you have to go to school again. Unlike Mrs. Pussykins here, doesn't have to go to school and just has to be a cat and just sleep time. I wish I could sleep all the time. When you say you want to be the very best,
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
you're gonna go to sleep early. You're never gonna be late. You know, you're never gonna procrastinate. You are gonna study every single night to get your grades up and stuff. And yeah,
I hate waking up late.
Go. I'm so white. Everybody make that transition from wonderful clothes to uniforms.
And you're so busy that you forget how to write, basically. I remember this one time when I had math homework and they asked me this one question.
The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Good weed, white wine.
Get up now, get up now.
La 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 la.
Kumbaya.